Good morning, students. How are you? This is your science teacher, Teacher Afreen. Teacher is missing you very much. Take care of yourself. Okay, today is Monday, 20th April 2020. Take out your learner book, page number 50 and 51. The unit is 5.2 and the topic is staying safety. The unit is 5.2 and our topic is staying safety. So open the page number 50 and 51. In the previous chapter 5.1 unit you study about the electricity. In 5.2 unit we will study what is electrical safety, why it is important, what is the importance of electrical safety. So let's see, there are 4 points. Number 1 is we should be careful when using electricity. Means when we are using any electrical component, any electrical items, we should be very careful, because number 2, it can be dangerous for us. It can be dangerous for us. Dangerous means it can be harmful for us. And number 3, it can give an electric shock from the any electrical items, any objects. We can get electrical current. Okay. And number 4 is an electric shock can hurt or kill us. When we are suffering from any electrical current, it can be very harmful for us, and sometimes it can kill us. So we should be careful when we are using any electrical component or electrical object. So first we will study in this chapter about the difficult words. Then for the next video we will study the question answer and further things. So there are some difficult words we have to focus. Number 1 is electricity. Number 1 is electricity, and the spelling is electricity. electricity, electricity. Number 2, metal, metal, wire, wire, metal, wire, metal, metal, wire, metal, wire. Number 3 is damaged wire, damaged, damaged, wire, wire, damaged wire. The next one is number 4, wall socket, wall, wall, socket, socket, wall socket. The number 5 is touch, 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 touch. Number 6 is wet hands, wet, hands, wet hands. Number 7, water, water, water. And the last one is safety, 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 safety. I will repeat again all the difficult words: electricity, metal wire, damaged wire, wall socket, touch, wet hands, water, and safety. Okay, there is, in the difficult words, there is a word metal wire. So on your screen you can see there are different colorful wires and these wires are made up of metal, and these are covered with the plastic. Okay, so you can see the golden colors wire, that are metal wire. Another difficult words is damaged wire. On your screen you can see there is a wire, black color wire, and the wire in the mid, it is broken. Okay, it is damaged. So we should not touch the damaged wire with our finger. It can be very harmful. So you can see what is the meaning of damaged wire. Another difficult words is wall socket. What is wall socket? You can see on your screen there is a picture of wall socket. Everyone have this one in their house, and if we want to open our computer, we have to use this socket. and for the charging of mobile, for the fridge, for any electrical machine, we have to use this type of wall socket. Now you can see on your screen there is the picture of wet hands. Wet means something with the water, and wet hands means hands there will be water, or on the more water or less water, but it is not dry. Wet means not dry. So wet hands means hands with the water. We should not touch any electrical things with the wet hands. It is very dangerous for us. Now look the picture. What is electric shock? Electric shock, you can see there is a person and he is touching the plug with the hands, and the current is going from the socket into his body. So he is trying to shout. This is called electric shock. From when the electricity from the socket moves inside our body, that is called electric shock. Okay, now today's your homework is write and learn all the work in your notebook. Write and learn all the work in your notebook. So do your homework, learn the works. Thank you so much. Bye bye, students.